Ya ya da 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 ya. Be boom boom boom. How you doing, everybody? Christopher A. Chaplin. Just sharing some spiritual language with you. Today's Monday, actually, May the 18th, and Victoria Day. I was doing some research and stumbled upon some information that literally made me jump up and say, ya ya da 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 ya. I had to catch myself. I'm like, what was that? I said it again. I said, I gotta write this down. And as I was writing it down, I basically realized that was my spiritual interpretation of hip hip hooray. Something that you say when you come up with a great idea or do something very exciting. You're having a ya ya da 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 ya moment. So remember, everybody. Ya ya da 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 ya. Be boom boom boom. Christopher A. Chaplin. Don't forget to check me out on Facebook. Go to my website, artbycac.com.